Okay, it's November 19th, Friday, 2010, and I'm just doing a little survey here of the second floor after some of the demolition. And there we can see the log and chinking structure. You can see the dormer where a window was raised up. I think the windows were originally all low, like you see this one. And then here's a dormer construction that's a little shaky. You know, if you can see up here very well in the peak of the dormer, so some birds' nests up there. But unfortunately, they chopped off one of the rafter poles here. But you can see maybe here how the construction of the rafter poles, where they're actually mortise and tenon together. And this is right by the fireplace on the second floor. And I'm going to swing around here, walk through the, used to be a closet. You can see this area still has some plaster on it. And this is the east side where we've revealed the log walls again. And another area which was a low window raised up with the dormer, and this hasn't been fully demoed yet. So they took a break for the day. They'll be back tomorrow. You still see some plaster here and some closet construction here. And there you can see the roof revealed again. And we'll swing in here and see this is where the bathroom was. And the logs again.